Hello gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Now in the last video we had seen how the separation takes place inside the purifier with the increased acceleration. And now we have to transfer the cleaned oil from the purifier to a storage tank from which we can use this oil. But one problem is that unlike the case where the centrifugal pump is very easily able to transfer the liquid from the stationary tank, the same job cannot be done with the rotating equipment, the purifier, because the outlet point in a stationary tank is fixed at one place. Then what is the problem in the purifier? The problem is that the purifier is not stationary, it is the rotating bowl, from which it seems almost impossible to connect the suction of the pump to the rotating bowl, because suppose we want to drill a hole in the rotating bowl, then the hole will also be rotating as the bowl spins. Thus, the idea of connecting the suction pipe to the hole which is in rotation is now impossible, because as the hole rotates, the suction pipe will also be rotating, and that is very difficult. So let's see what problems might be faced. This is the diagram of the transferring system from two places. One is from the purifier and the other one is from the tank which is at rest. As the suction pipe of the centrifugal pump is connected to a fixed outlet from the tank, there is no difficulty in taking the suction from the tank, in which the outlet of the tank is fixed. But in the case of the purifier, as the purifier rotates, one point made in the rotating bowl that will be rotating, and there will be a lot of confusions as to from where the suction pipe of the pump has to be connected. So that is why the idea of connecting these rotating positions of the outlet of the oil is not applicable in the case of the purifier outlet. Therefore, we have to make a different arrangement in which the oil can be extracted from this rotating purifier. The situation is the similar one as in the case of the turbocharger. You might wonder as to why the situation in the turbocharger and in this case of the purified oil transfer system is similar. Now let's see the turbocharger. Turbine side between the purifier and gas hits this is two fins of the turbine, and finally process involved in the is delivered through a can be of point which is same as the eye of the oil from the centrifugal pump. So that idea can be put in this case. The gases must. So let's see what is the similarity between the in a plane turbine end of the turbocharger and in the case of this purifier. Let's say we make an arrangement similar to that in the turbine end of the turbocharger. So suction is in that case along the axis of the rotation of the shaft, and the rotating gas is made to in the tangential direction. That means blades of the turbine plane, which is so as in this case also the liquid is rotating. It can be arranged to hit the blades of the part to be the turbine end, and this to be the exhaust side or the exit of the fluid. Here it goes. Well, In the turbine, the fluid
This is
comes
the
and keeps on
outer
rotating
diameter of the
in
impeller,
a plane which is
to which
perpendicular to
the
the axis of the
number of
rotation,
fins
and
are
the
made.
exit is along the
And as the oil is
line
rotating,
of the
it will
axis of the
hit these
rotation.
blades
The centrifugal pump, it is the
as it
reverse.
comes in contact with
As
the
the impeller rotates,
impeller.
it creates a
So
suction
it will
in
hit the
this
blade
eye,
in this
and
direction.
it is
Upon
processed
coming in contact
in
with
this
the
impeller
blades,
and thrown in
the
the direction which is
liquid will be
tangential to the
pushed
circle
inwards
formed by the
towards
periphery
the
of the
eye
impeller.
of the impeller,
In both the cases, at
which
the
is same
periphery,
as in the case
the
of the
motion is the
turbine end.
rotational motion, and right at the eye, it is the straight line motion. In the purifier, what we have seen is that the oil keeps on rotating and that has to be transferred. So this resembles the motion of the fluids in the turbine. And let's see what happens if we rotate the turbine this way. So again, right at the periphery, the motion has to be in the rotational motion, and the exit will be in the straight line motion along the axis of the rotation upwards. That means for the exit to be in the straight line motion, the initial velocity should be in the rotational direction, and that is exactly what is present in the purifier. And due to this rotational motion, it can be caught and scooped inside by the angled vanes of the turbine shaped impeller, and thus the final velocity will be along the axis of the rotation in the upward direction to be connected to the pipelines outside, which will lead to the storage tank straight away. And in the purifier, the job doing the conversion of the rotational motion to the linear motion is the small sized impeller, and that is exactly the one which is missing. So in this case, we have to install one small sized component similar to that of the impeller, which would be able to catch the liquids from the outside and gather at the center, and be able to push out the liquid from the system towards the outside. That means towards the upper side, from where it can be taken through the holes made in the casing to be connected at the outside of the purifier and led to the storage tank via the pipelines. So that is the method used in the purifier to extract out the cleaned oil from the purifier inside and to be transferred to the storage tank. This part is just the impeller, which is very small in size as compared to that which is fitted normally in the centrifugal pumps. Because as we go up where the pure and clean oil is present, the cross section goes on decreasing, and it would be very difficult if we want to fit a larger impeller. So the arrangement and the design should be such that it should be able to transfer the oil by fitting a small size impeller, and the name given to the so-called impeller is the pairing disc, just because it pairs up the liquid. That means it gathers the liquid from all the sides and transfers it to the outlet. When the fluid comes in contact with the turbine, energy is wasted in the rotating the turbine, but our job is not to make the shaft to rotate or the impeller to rotate, but rather to transfer the oil from the inside of the purifier to the outside. To efficiently transfer the liquid, we should hold the impeller and not allow it to be rotated, so that at the end the energy which was being consumed in rotating the turbine can be saved, and the saved energy can be shown up at the exit, and it is this extra energy with which the fluid can be easily transferred from the purifier right up to the storage tank. That means neither will face any problem nor will have to do any additional work to transfer the fluid. So this is the way the fluid is transferred, or the cleaned oil is transferred from the inside of the purifier to the storage tank. I think the video has been of use to you. So please give it a like, share this video among your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my videos in the marine topic, you can visit my channel and see the videos of your choice. And the next video will be on the interface and the problems that we might face when the correct position of the interface is not maintained, and of course the ways to maintain the position of the interface within the limits, so that the problems due to the incorrect position of the interface do not occur. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.